Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to add members to your WhatsApp community. With the latest updates, the process has become even simpler, allowing you to expand your community with just a few taps. Let's dive right in. First, open your WhatsApp app. You'll notice the Communities tab at the bottom of your screen. It's the icon that looks like three people. Tap on it to access your communities. Next, select the specific community you want to add members to. This will open up the community's main page, where you can see all the groups and announcements. Now, look for the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Community Info. This will take you to a page with all the details about your community. On the Community Info page, you'll see various options. What we're looking for is the Add Members button. Go ahead and tap on it. This will bring up your contact list. Here's where you get to choose who joins your community. Scroll through your contacts or use the search bar to find the people you want to add. As you select each person, you'll see a check mark appear next to their name. Once you've selected all the members you want to add, look for the check mark icon, usually located in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on this to confirm your selections. Finally, you'll see an Add button. Tap this, and voila! Your selected contacts will now be invited to join your WhatsApp community. Remember, adding members to your community is a great way to bring people together around a common interest or goal. Whether it's for a neighborhood watch, a school parent group, or a hobby club, WhatsApp communities make it easy to keep everyone connected and informed. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully added new members to your WhatsApp community. Happy communicating!